What about when it comes to playing quicker notes with the bow? We looked at bow management of long notes and making sure we distributed the bow carefully, particularly that we got back to the tip. We looked at having crotchets at one end and crotchets at the other end. But what if we had quavers? What do we do with the bow when we play quick notes? I think the most common mistake that people make when they try and play quick notes is that they panic and they think, I haven't got time to make the string speak properly. It's fine if it's a slow bow. I've got plenty of time to get the sound going. But if it's going to be quick, I'm just going to have to kind of skate over the top because there isn't really time to get the bow to properly connect to the string. And that's nonsense. There is always time to get the bow to connect to the string. So we're going to look at just playing. There are two problems potentially involved in quavers, and one, or semi-quavers or quick notes in general. And one is the speed at which you need to move the bow and get a good quality sound. And the other actually is the coordination between your right hand and your left hand. For now, we are just going to think about getting a good quality sound with the bow. We'll worry about the dexterity of this later, I think. So we're going to go for quavers. It's my favourite G major scale again. And the key, I think, is that your right hand and your right arm has to predictably be very, very relaxed. If we're too relaxed, and there's loads of flapping about going on here, just gets a bit uncontrolled and a bit inelegant in the sound. But the other extreme, completely solid here, that's no good either, is it? Bit relaxed, flapping about, solid, relaxed. Can you hear the sound change really quite dramatically according to what is going on here? So you need to be relaxed enough that there's a little bit of flexibility here, but not so much that it's flapping about like windscreen wipers, and not so solid that it's completely stiff and completely static. So we're aiming for just a relaxed amount of movement. You'll notice I'm playing really quite near the tip of the bow. It's the best place for quavers. If you can arrange your bowing so that your quavers come in the top half of the bow, that is always going to be an advantage. Let's try it. These are quite steady, aren't they, for now? Just look at how this is hanging off here. Don't come out here because it's fast and you're worried. None of this up here. Ever so relaxed. No flapping about. I'll count you in. So we're going to play 8 quavers on each note. We'll go all the way up a G major scale, 1 octave and back down, and then we'll carry on down to the G string, so we'll do 2 octaves on the way down. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Could you keep it going? All the way up and all the way back. Did your arm get tired? Did your arm get stiff? Did it start to wander about? Did you end up using loads of bow? Did you end up using no bow at all because there isn't time? That's rubbish as well, isn't it? Either of those. Too much bow and it gets uncontrolled. Too little bow and there's no chance of getting a decent sound. So enough bow. Not too much. Not too little. Just sounds strangled. Let's do it again. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep going down. Shall we try it a bit quicker? Because that's fairly sedate, isn't it? Shall we speed it up a bit? So now I need less bow, but still enough. No flapping about, no stiff, very relaxed. Still near the tip. So there's our new speed. Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2. If you're starting to get not such a good sound, just have an eye on, are you at that kind of angle? Are you at that kind of angle? Particularly on the top string, are you near enough to the bridge? Just make sure that as you go up to the top strings, this hand has come forwards. None of this has come out here. Everything's still very relaxed. Let's do that faster speed again, starting with the G in the middle. 1, 2.